Hello campers and RVers. Once again, another cold night. So I've got the furnace going on and I've got my winter coat on and I've got my hat here. I might put that on in a little bit because the temperatures seem to drop pretty low at night. And I've been finding myself wearing a hat almost daily or almost nightly to bed at night because the temperatures are getting pretty low again out here in Quartzsite. But today I went to the tent show over in Quartzsite, and it's a tent show that they have for a week long, and they have all kinds of vendors that show up, and they have campers and Class A's and fifth wheels, a lot of fifth wheels, great big huge fifth wheels for you to tour. And I mean, you could spend a month over there and not see everything, but inside of the tents they have all kinds of vendors and everything, and when you enter the tent show they have a bag of free goodies and stuff like that that you can pick up. So I picked up my bag and went through the tent show and wanted to share that with you tonight. At one of the places I went to, they had these green bags, and guess what? It's from Oklahoma, one of my favorite places to camp. I was just there like what, a month and a half ago in Oklahoma at that lake all by myself. Had the entire campground to myself because I guess not a lot of people like going winter camping. They don't like to be cold, I guess. But anyways, this is from there, and they had these free bags, so I picked one up and got all kinds of cool little goodies at the tent show. Not that I like a lot of stuff, but some of these items were actually inside the bag when you entered the tent show. They have it free for you. But this was, I got this at one of the stations. One of the vendors had it, and I told them how much I love camping in Oklahoma and that I've camped on Lake Eufaula, and I think I'm saying that correct, and got this as well, this little I guess you could use it for your computer screen or maybe your glasses, to clean your glasses. And it's like a little yeah, I don't know, 6x6 little square that is used for that kind of thing, cleaning your glasses. And on the back of it, it has a map of all of the different camping places that you can go to in the casinos in Oklahoma. And so I was talking to them about how much I loved camping in Oklahoma and winter camping as well. It's they have some beautiful lakes there in Oklahoma. So that was really cool. The next thing in the bag that you get when you enter, they had 2 koozies. And one of them, which I was really happy about, has the KOA label on the back. It's, I guess, Progressive Insurance puts these together, but the KOA little symbol was on one of these, and I thought that was kind of cool to get that. And then a second one, something to put your soda or water or beer in, keep it cold. And they gave you a free pack of deck of cards, so you can play solitaire, or if you have somebody to play cards with, you could do that. But you know, I travel solo, so solitaire and some other games I could play. And that was from Progressive, their free gift that they gave folks. I also was able to pick up my Passport America book, and you just had to show them that you're a member of Passport America, and they gave you these books, which was really awesome. And it's updated with the latest and greatest places that you can stay. And that's actually where I found the place in that I stayed in Texas at Clyde, Texas, through Passport America. I stay at some really cool places through Passport America, in little mom and pop places, so I've been pretty pleased with this as a place in my bag to stay if I need to. So I was able to get that. The other thing that I picked up a few copies of was the mailboxes. And you know, you've probably heard of this before. Some people like to go to South Dakota and become residents of South Dakota and have their mail delivered via internet or wherever you are. And I got a few copies of this, and it's totally explained in here, the cost and how it works and all that, so I could pass it out to friends I meet on the road and stuff like that. So talked to the folks there, and they were very nice and very helpful about everything. The other thing is I talked to the folks about doing the beet harvest. And I'm sure you probably heard about the beet harvest, where you go for a month and stay, and they pay for you to stay. It's called a work camping job. And you work the beet harvest. And some of the people that gave me the brochure, they were actually in this brochure here, and they were telling me all about it. And then a lady was there, and she was telling me all about it. She did it last year, and she was a older lady, and she said she had just the time of her life. She's been going there for a couple of years, and she plans on going back this year. So anyways, it was really nice to talk to the people about doing that. So that's something that might consider doing for fun, for a little extra money. Never hurts to have extra cash in your pocket. Didn't really talk to these people too much, but I did grab a brochure on the Buffalo Bill, something about work camping experience. So they have a lot of stuff about work camping, and Ruby's Inn at Bryce Canyon. I picked up that. You walk around to all the different booths. They have all kinds of stuff for if you own a home, or you have an apartment, things for your bedding, or things for your house, or cleaning your windows. Just a whole host of things that you can talk to people about or buy there at the show. But some of the stuff really didn't interest me that was in the bag. Brochure about the program, and another work camper position to work with potatoes. You know how much I love my potatoes. Picking potatoes, I guess, or harvesting the potatoes once they come in off the trucks. And some of the people that were there working also do the beet harvest, and then they do the potato harvest maybe later on, and they were very helpful. They have phone numbers and contacts and emails and stuff if you want to go do that. But again, it's just a way to earn some extra money in a short period of time. Let's see. Again, I already talked about the mailboxes, and grab some stuff on that. And a lot of this stuff was just put inside the bag that you pick up when you walk in. A lot of stuff on solar. There's a lot of places there that have panels, solar panels, and they'll sell you pretty much anything under the sun there at that tent show. I find the tent show to be interesting to walk around, but as I stated in my previous video, that I really enjoy the outside places outside the tent show. Those folks are usually there from, I believe, September through April, and then they close up because it's too hot. But they're the same people usually that show up year after year, and they're just so nice. The people that sell the firewood, the people that have their standard booths, and they sell all kinds of tools and equipment, or things for your camper, your house. I find that personally to be more exciting to walk around and see the different gadgets that they have. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you about the tent show, that I attended it, and if you've never been to Quartzsite, put it on your bucket list to come out sometime. It's a great place to visit. I've always enjoyed it every time I've been out here, and have nothing but the best to say about it. So anyways, that's all I have tonight, and it's cold. Might be putting on this hat in a little bit. It's heater's doing a good job of warming it up in here, and that's all I have for tonight, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.